see this, we are supposed to find out the ranks of these two determinants. While you are finding out, it is not always necessary that you go till the echelon form. You can stop it in the middle if you can guess the answer by using your intuition, and that comes by solving lots of examples. Okay, I'll just tell you how you can stop it in the middle also using this example. See this. Okay, here if you observe it, this third row is nothing but the sum of first two rows. Check that. If you add row 1 and row 2, you are going to get the third row. And if you look at the fourth row, it is nothing but the sum of first row and third row. So because I have made such observations, I am able to do the transformations that way. From third row, I am subtracting row 1 and row 2. Okay. And then from fourth row, I am subtracting row 1 and row 3. So after doing that, I got this one. Now if you observe it, the last two rows are zeros, which means two rows are now already zeros. So definitely, even though it is a 4 by 4 matrix, the determinant of this matrix is going to be 0, because one of the rows is going to be all zeros. Even if you take any 3 by 3 submatrices in this, every 3 by 3 square submatrix should include one of these two rows, and therefore every 3 by 3 submatrix, square submatrix, is also going to be having a determinant of 0, because one of the row is definitely going to be all zeros. Therefore rank cannot be 4 and rank cannot be 3. It is clear, isn't it? So how many number of non-zero rows are there? 2. Therefore rank can be less than or equal to 2. So now you have to just find out whether the rank can be 2 or is it less than 2. So for that reason you can stop here. You need not proceed further by making more zeros. You can stop here and you can check, because it is just a 2 by 2 matrix now. Now you can check if you can find out any 2 by 2 matrix whose determinant is not equal to 0. If you can find it, you can say that rank is equal to 2. Now I am able to find it out. So if you observe this, it is a 2 by 2 square submatrix whose determinant is not equal to 0. Therefore the rank of this matrix is equal to 2, because after doing these transformations, the rank doesn't change, isn't it? So rank of this matrix is nothing but 2, and so the rank of this matrix is 2. Okay, now see this one. Again here also I'll try to make as many values as 0 as possible. So see this, I can make this one as 0 and this one as 0 using this one. So for that reason I'm just trying to add these two so that this one will become 0, and I'll try to subtract from the third row the first row after multiplying it with 2. Row 3 is substituted with row 3 minus 2r1. I got this. Now you can even proceed further and find out the, convert it to echelon form by multiplying this one with 2, this one with 2, and this one with 3, and again making this one as 0, and finally getting a echelon form. It is not in echelon form, isn't it? Because it is not in increasing order. The number of zeros are not in increasing order. You can make this one also as 0 by using this row. But then just to avoid such computations, what I will try to see is, using my intuition, I will just, it is easier to find out the determinant of this one. Determinant of this one is 1 into this one, right? Determinant of this, it is again a 2 by 2 determinant, therefore it is easy. So when I found out the determinant of this matrix, it turned out that it is minus 1. Determinant of this matrix is minus 1, which is not equal to 0. Therefore the rank of this matrix turned out to be 3. It is a 3 by 3 square submatrix whose determinant is not square matrix whose determinant is not equal to 0. Therefore the rank of this one is 3, and so the rank of this one is 3. So if you observe this, I didn't go till the end. I didn't go till finding out the echelon form. I am stopping it in the middle if it is convenient for me, isn't it? Sometimes doing more computations is not so convenient. We could stop it in the middle of the way and we can say the answer. So I am just using that. Okay.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So, first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and IITs universities better than IITs. They have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%. But all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177 and IIT Roorkey's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkey, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkey is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkey. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities, or 50 lakh universities. But whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.